to establish an effective blocking force against any potential infiltration.
Position. Establish battle position. Over. Budic, Arctic sir, proceeding to designated battle position sir. All platoons, move to designated battle position. Move!
Okay.
Hindi kita Puros
Kanina color pink sila, no?
Hindi kayo makita sila.
Upon occupation of the assigned positions, personnel establish security measures, observation posts, and interlocking fields of observation to ensure comprehensive coverage of the area. The unit remains vigilant for any suspicious movements while maintaining communication with adjacent units and higher headquarters.
Arctic, Arcade, go. Sir, po rin po, sir. Ang third platoon, sir, naka-preposition sa position battle area, sir. Over. Arctic, go. Avatar. Arctic, go. Sir, po rin po, sir. Andito kami sa battle position, sir. Over. Kopya. Arcade. Arcade, go. Sir, nakaposisyon na kami sa battle position, sir. Over. Kopya.
Dito po ngayon. Pwede traffic congestion, pinilipin yung nearby ang barangay Kataan, due to the ongoing security situation.
You did this.
Once in position, Alpha Company enforces access control and prevents any unauthorized movement toward the shoreline or inland areas. The unit is prepared to respond to emerging threats and maintain defensive integrity in accordance with the operational plan.
Sector Opar, bantayan nyo ng maigi. Copy, sir.
Icebox. The traffic congestion is developing barangay Kataan, barangay Kataan, due to the ongoing security situation.
daw artillery officer sila ko daw artillery officer may bala ko
Copy fire mission request received. 10 artillery assets are available to engage designated targets. Over.
Altitude 13 meters over.
Avatar, this is Boomer. Your location, Good Charlie, 51 Papa, Uniform Mike, 97923, 63123, altitude 13 meters out. Boomer, this is Avatar, adjust out. Avatar, this is Boomer, adjust fire polar route. Direction 16608. Distance 740 meters. Over. Direction 1600 meters. Distance 720 meters. Out. Towards the discharge of the beach point. 488. Earthquake. Potential round in effect. Power ready. Over. Three remaining enemy bombers moving towards the beach point of Omar Beach Farm. Unit C, this quick, Baton 2 rounds in effect, fire when ready, out. I authenticate Sky, over. I authenticate Blue.
As the mission is approved, a third FAB stands by to receive the final firing data and executes a simulated fire support mission against the designated target area. Throughout the process, continuous coordination is maintained among maneuver forces, fire support elements, and a tactical command post to ensure accurate and timely delivery of effects in support of the operation. Mission results and battle damage assessments are subsequently reported to higher headquarters, enabling commanders to evaluate the effectiveness of the fire mission and determine follow-on actions within the exercise framework.
Synergy, lock X. Charge 1, use quick. Deflection. 2810. Quadrant elevation. 106. Platoon 2 rounds in effect. Maximum fire. 2508.
Dali nga.
Lanyard. Hoy. Lanyard. Hoy. Lanyard. Hoy. Lanyard. Hoy.
Kurang banyak.
Lanyard. Hoy. Yes, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now be witnessing the firing of the 105mm artillery cannon.
Lanyard. Hey!
Stop Blast over. Shut up. Blast over. Blast up. Terlilit, terberday count.
Naka-air maps mo. Kung wala kang doon naka-air maps, ikaw mismo kibot ka to.
Sabi ko yung
Ano ba kung mag-training mo wala?
OA.
Wala lang mo, pellets lang mo, matyagan mo. Pero pagkakas mo eh.
Gun ready!
Go, Mayor.
Ako doon na.
Ready, jump! Lanyard!
Sir. Excuse me.
Boss naman! Muna ako. Ay para. Hindi mo makalaban. One sweet mate. Pamayo lang ulit. Ano ba?
Pwede ka lang na.
Ready, jump!
Okay.
Lanyard! Fire!
Blast over. Blast over.
First lead, right!
Get this in.
Blast out. Round complete, over. Round complete out. End of mission, over. End of mission, out.
Ay, natural.
Surveillance. Enemy bunker destroyed, over. Surveillance, enemy bunker destroyed, out.
Okay na tayo.
Bakal, bakal,